Okay, so now we've waited about 24 hours. We're going to go back to YouTube and we're going to see if our captions have automatically generated. So you can click right here on YouTube Studio, or you can go up here to the icon in the right-hand corner once you've signed into your YouTube account. And we're going to go to our YouTube Studio. Once we're in our YouTube Studio, you should be able to see your channel dashboard. This is your channel dashboard here. This is what it looks like. And you can go over to the left panel and click on videos. So this is your video library, and this is where you should see all the videos that you've uploaded in the past. Here you'll see the video we just uploaded, and it has been successfully added to our videos. So we're going to click on the pencil to the right of the video image right here where it says details. Go ahead and click on that. So now this will bring you to the main video details window. And here you can edit a lot of different things, such as the main thumbnail in your video here. You can also edit a lot of the things that we edited back when we uploaded the video first. But what you're going to want to do here is you're going to want to go up and click More Options and scroll down to where it says Original Video Language Subtitles and Closed Captions. Under Video Language and Caption Certification, you're going to click this blue link here where it says Subtitles. As we discussed earlier, YouTube will automatically generate subtitles for you, as you can see up here, automatic, published. These are the subtitles that YouTube has generated using speech recognition software. However, if you would like to add your subtitles in manually, you can always do that right here by clicking Add. It just might be a little easier to wait the 24 hours like we did, and then have YouTube automatically generate subtitles for you that you can go in and actually just edit. This will likely save you a lot of time. And you can also add subtitles in multiple languages by clicking this button right here where it says Add Language. Just note that if you do want to add multiple languages, the automatic generated subtitles that YouTube creates will only do that for the main video language that you've selected when you initially uploaded that video. So here, as we see, we've selected this to be the main video language. If we would like to add a language, we can do that. There's tons of options, but just know that you'll have to add those in manually if you haven't selected that language as the main video language here. But as you can see, YouTube has generated these automatic subtitles and captions for us. We're going to hover our mouse over where it says Publish Automatic, and these three dots that pop up, the options, you'll want to click on that. And in that new pop-up little window, you'll click on Edit on Classic Studio right here. Now, YouTube recently launched a newer version of their Creator Studio. However, there is still a Classic Studio version option. So when you're editing subtitles, it will switch you to this option, but just know that when you're all done, it will automatically switch you back to that newer Creator Studio version that we were using before. Okay, so here we are in the subtitle and closed caption editor, and here we have your video, and to the left you will see these automatic captions that have been added. So first we have to click edit. So let's go up here to the right and we'll click edit. And it's going to make these text boxes editable over here. From here, you can easily just click on these boxes and edit all these pre-published captions that have been generated. You can just go ahead and delete what you'd like. You can type your caption. If you click on this X icon, it's going to delete that subtitle. But if you click on this plus sign, it will add a new one. Another option you have would be to use the video player here and scroll to any specific time in that video, or if you're playing the video, pause at a specific point. Then you scroll your mouse up to the left where it says type subtitle here and press enter. And you can click in this text box. You can type your subtitle here. And as you see, it will automatically add it to the video as you're typing. Click this plus sign, and there you go. To make sure that your captions are lined up with the timing of your video, you can use this video editor down here. In this video editor and video player, you can easily play, stop, jump around to different points in your video. Underneath, you'll see your captions that have been added in. And what you can do here is by moving this blue bar that you'll see when you hover over a caption, you can actually change the length of time that that caption will appear on screen. You can also click on the caption and your mouse will change to a hand like this. And you can freely move that caption around to any timestamp in the video. So this is another option you have when customizing your captions. By using these two tools, you can easily edit the subtitles and captions to line up perfectly with the timing of your video. Don't forget, you can also add text describing sounds that are happening in your video, such as music playing. These are called closed captions. A few features to note. This magnifying glass here, this will change the view of your timing and will essentially zoom in and out to see more specific or wider increments of time. This won't change the timing of your video, but it may help view the way that you're editing it. By having this box checked, it will actually pause the video when you start typing. So as you can see, if I play the video and I decide I want to add a caption or a subtitle and I start typing, it will actually pause the video on that specific point and it will add my caption in. If I don't have this box checked, the video will continue to play. So that's something you might want to play around with to see what your editing preferences are. As you can see, the video will keep playing as I type if that box isn't checked. If you don't have time to edit it all at once, you can always save your changes and come back to finish the rest later. Just know that the last thing you'll want to do before leaving is up in the top right corner. Do not forget to click Save in blue right here. Always remember to click Save Changes and Publish. That's going to bring you to this window that you see here. And what we're gonna do now is go back to our Creator Studio and that original newer Creator Studio version we were using before. So if you go up to the top right corner where it says Return to YouTube Studio, it will bring you right back to that channel dashboard. So from the channel dashboard, you'll want to go back to your video library and then you will be able to see all of your videos, and we can see the video that we just uploaded, edited, and it's still set to private. So if we want to change that and we're ready to publish this video, we can go over to the visibility column, which is right there. And if you click on the eye icon, you can change those visibility settings to private, public, or unlisted. So that's what you need to know to be able to upload a video to your YouTube studio and edit the captions and subtitles for your video and then publish them to your YouTube channel. If you have any questions, know that you can always reach the MGH IHP librarians by going to the Bellick Library website and clicking on Ask the Librarian and filling out this form right here. Thank you so much for watching our video, and we hope you have a great day.